alliance of partners, Government Citizen Security and Justice Program CSJP is empowering at-risk young people aged 7 to 29 to resist crime and violence. And the intervention is modeled on a Brazilian program called Fight for Peace.
Fight for Peace is an NGO that uses boxing and martial arts as well as a holistic set of services for young people to help get young people that are living in violent communities out of crime and violence and into more positive life outcomes.
In this local version, dubbed Kick Out Crime and Violence, youth in 6 inner-city communities are engaged in personal development based on 5 pillars: boxing, martial arts, education, employability, youth support services, and youth leadership. Support to carry out the program has been boosted by a recent $20.7 million grant from the United Kingdom Department for International Development, DFID. It's allowing CSJP and its partners to implement the project in the communities of Hannahtown, Denhamtown, Trenchtown, Fletcher's Land, Parade Gardens, and Tivoli Gardens in Kingston. Throughout the week, youngsters in these communities are exposed to boxing, wrestling, and taekwondo classes, which are not just fun, but are also instilling discipline, self-esteem, confidence, and the strength to resist negativity, regardless of the circumstances.
It also teaches them to control their physical aggression and to use that aggression smartly, because the thing about these sports is that it's not necessarily the strongest person who wins, it's the person who has the most control over his or her physical strength. And so that has been proven to be a really effective bridge in teaching them about self-control in general. If you learn to control yourself in the sport, it's easier for you to learn how to control yourself in life.
Tell me guys, how would you define communication? So what is the interaction between 2 or more persons? Interacting anyway, we don't even have to use words. We don't have to use sign language or have meanings to words. Body language, gesture, gesticulation, and all those things, right? Or the act and the process of using words, sound, sign, or behavior to express or exchange information.
This social intervention program, which started in May 2016, is being jointly delivered in Jamaica using a network of social development partners already involved with youth development, including the Social Development Commission. Other partners are the Peace Management Initiative, Jamaica Defence Force, Jamaica Boxing Board of Control, Capoeira, Alafia, Rise Life Management, Youth, Fletcher's Land Benevolent Society, Joytown, Boys Town, and Bread's Treasure Beach Foundation.
Well, working with the partners that are a part of the Fight for Peace network, we asked them to refer young people to us who they were already relating to in some way. So either it was a young person that was in one of their programs, but they don't think that the program was working as effectively for that young person, or somebody who had just dropped out of their program, or somebody that was kind of on their radar to come into another program.
The various groups meet at the JDF Up Park camp on Saturdays for the training session.
This is an opportunity, not just for us at the ministry, to really hold hands with you, Fight for Peace and DFID, as we engage our youth and empower our youth to become the ambassadors and the messengers in their communities.
I think Fight for Peace International and its partners in mixing sport, skill development and mentoring have had great success in the UK, Brazil, and also emerging in Jamaica to improve the lives of at-risk youth. We firmly believe that an effective government-led public health intervention targeting at-risk youth in the communities suffering most from the scourge of violence can really help improve community security in Jamaica.